Are you nervous about stepping into your first hot yoga class? Don't sweat it. We've got the ultimate guide for plus-size beginners. Hot yoga is a game changer, but it can be a bit intimidating, especially with all that heat. First things first, hydrate like a boss before you even step into the studio. Wear moisture-wicking clothes and bring a big towel, a yoga mat, and a water bottle. Trust me, you'll thank yourself later. Mindset is everything. Don't compare yourself to others. Your yoga journey is yours alone. Listen to your body and take breaks when needed. Modify poses if you have to. It's all good. In class, the heat might feel overwhelming. Just breathe deeply and pace yourself. Follow the instructor and don't be shy about sitting out a pose if you need to. After class, rehydrate and stretch out those muscles. Reflect on your achievement. You did it. Hot yoga is for everyone, and you've taken a huge step in your journey of self-love and acceptance. So there you have it. With the right prep and mindset, hot yoga can be a fantastic experience. Like, comment, and subscribe to The Fitness Idea for more tips. Thanks for watching, and namaste.